YouTube, welcome to Portal 2 Let's Play, and I'm with my trusty friend AJ Cooler 43. And we're going to be playing the first level all the way to the last level. Hold on. Hold on. Hehehehe. Okay. Now, whoops. Okay. It's time to go to the first level. AJ. Okay, the first level is pretty easy. It's like the easiest level. Well, we're not going to do the very, very first level because we cannot do that again.
Hello again. This testing course was originally created for humans. It emphasizes teamwork.
How are we supposed to do this? This is the hardest level in the world. Hold on, I know what you're supposed to do. Okay. Well, hey, place a portal right over here. Place a portal right over there. Now, head through that door. Press that button. Hello? Now what does this button do? Now go through there. Hey, where'd you go? Oh, dude, come over here. Go through the portal. Oh, I know what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to come here with me. Come. Okay, stand on this button, please. There you go. Now, wait. No, I did it wrong. Oh no. I'm supposed to go through here somehow. Open. I'm supposed to open this somehow. I didn't recognize this level. Oh! 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 The door's open now. Oh! 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 Oh!
Collaboration points.
Dude, place your purple portal right over there for me. Purple. There you go. Yay!
Excellent. Although great science is always the result of collaboration, keep in mind that, like Albert Einstein and his cousin Terry, history will only remember one of you.
Okay, let's go now. Wait a minute. I always wondered what's over here. It looks like a very skinny door for humans. Wait a minute. What? Where's the light coming from? Okay, secrets are no longer for me. Get through! No! Go there! Stop hugging me in my pod or else the door's gonna open and close. Whee!
Wait, James, how are you gonna do,
How are we gonna do what?
all the levels?
Oh, it's gonna be different parts.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna do the first level of each part?
No. It's gonna be just like all the levels. Just like one chapter.
Make your videos.
We're gonna do one chapter.
Interesting. Most
Oh.
viewers do.
Oh, this is pretty easy. Okay. Now. Oh.
Go back through my purple portal.
Whee.
Alright, don't move. Go through my blue portal.
made it. Dude, remember that fan part? I hate that level.
Oh yeah.
I hate that level. Okay, we need a ball. Where are we gonna get a ball?
Get a ball.
Oh no, I hate this level. Dude, okay, follow me. Place your portal, place your blue portal right over there. And then your purple portal right over there. Now, we have to click it at the same time. I'm gonna do the countdown, okay? Click, and then go through your portal and quickly click it. Yeah! Wait, yeah, we got the ball!
Very good. You really have to be positive. Thanks to the one of you who appears to be doing all of the work.
Watch me do my.
Okay, let's go now. Get in your pod.
But your mom is holding the camera?
No. No, quiet. Beep, buddy.
These tests are potentially
3.
lethal when communication, teamwork, and mutual respect are not employed.
Oh no.
Naturally,
Oh,
this
no.
will pose an interesting challenge for one of you, given
Me
the
too.
other's performance so far.
Wait, no.
Yes. Yes, actually.
Yeah. Place your orange photo right there.
Oh! Did it. That was easy, but not this part.
Oh, I hate this level.
Me too. Oh, I love this level! I love this level!
This level.
Me too! Hold on! Hold that button! Come over here, dude! Hold that button! Hold that button! I'm gonna kill all the turrets. Let's go!
What are you doing? You monster. They're one of us. I'm kidding. Destroying them is part of the test. They are no more important to you than you are to me.
Did it! Wait a minute. Now what do we do? How to get up there? How do we get up there? Oh!
Oh.
No, I don't get it.
Wait. Oh yeah, I get it. Wait, no, I don't.
I get it! I get it so hardly! Hold on, that go. I get it, I get it, I get it. I get what we're supposed to do. Stop it. Stop pushing everything. Stop pushing the buttons. Excuse me.
Ow. Ow.
Do that, which is that. But now what do we do? Wait a minute. What are you doing? I get it. Somebody has to press this. And then one person has to do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it.
What's this button do?
The button pushes that thing up and you click the button and the thingy fell. I get it so hardly now. Yep, I did it. I did it.
Jane, did you ever upload this to YouTube yet?
It
No.
would compromise the test to divulge
After the video's over, I will.
scores. However, I can tell you that
After
at
this
least
video,
one
let's
of you
do
is
a
doing
video
very,
of
very
Portal 2.
well.
Can it be
Please
the last
continue
level?
into the
'Cause
next
a lot
test
of people
chamber.
can't beat it.
Yeah, but that like I think it's gonna be like chapter like 15. It's gonna be it.
No, but we can skip chapters.
No, we
Or
don't.
wait, why do you want to make a video? Like the video I was talking about, like making the whole you know. So can we do
I don't know what you think you are doing, but I don't like it. I want you to stop.
No, we're not gonna.
I love this level!
The two of you have
Not
forged
a-
an
oh
excellent
yeah,
partnership.
I love this level. Oh, can I go first? I wanna go first. I wanna go first.
No.
Yes, I'm going first.
I go first. Fine, maybe.
Okay, I'm in. No, lower them. Lower them. Thank you. Whoa! Whoa! Why'd you do that?
Ah, dang it.
Okay. We'll hire them. Hire them, please. Hire them, please. I said hire them.
No, that's not how you do it. Go on that one right there. Go on that one. Right. Now go over there.
Oh. Okay,
Right.
then lower it. Thank you. Now, hey. Hey, you. What's the big idea? Put it downwards. Put it downwards. I said put it downwards. Oh.
Go through my purple portal.
Did it. That was easy. Dude, that was pretty darn easy.
While it may appear that I am only tracking your accomplishments using science collaboration points, the truth is every aspect.
I'm trying to jump on you. Wait, seeing right over here, I'm gonna try to jump on you. Crouch. Crouch right over here. I'm gonna try if I can jump on you because you're the small one. Huh! Oh! I almost jumped on you. Huh! Huh! Oh, I jumped over you. Excuse me. Oh! I jumped over you. Huh. Huh. Okay, let's just exit the level.
I'm gonna go my paws, but I'll crouch. What are you gonna do? Hey, James.
What?
James.
What?
To reiterate, this is not a competition. Still, if it were, Orange would be winning. It's not though.
Oh, 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 oh.
You suck.
Is this what I think it is? Oh yeah, I love this level.
Oh, yeah, I love this.
Okay, you go inside there. I'll hire it for you.
You can't stop me.
I'm not. Okay, stand on the thing. Stand on the
Let
plat.
go.
No, I'm not. You
No,
have.
I'm not gonna die. It doesn't go down instantly.
Let
Let
go.
go. Move the block.
Now, Jump on the piece! Jump on it! Did you make it? No.
Let me try again.
Okay.
No.
You didn't make it.
How am I supposed to jump on it?
Okay, dude, let me try. Hold it on it. Okay, now do it. Hey! Huh! Oh, I know how to do it. It's not that. I know how to do it. Okay, keep on holding it. Keep on holding it on that. Keep on holding it on that. Keep on holding it on that. What the heck? Stop it. We have to do this. Ow! Stop it! Stop it! Put it on!
Yay!
Hey!
Sorry.
Stop it!
It's hard to control.
Now, is there a thingy over there?
Now what?
Hold. Okay, hold it! Hold it! Ah! Ah! Okay, once it goes all the way high, I'm gonna tell you what to do. Okay, stop. Put it over there. Put it over there. Oh, did it? Ow. Stop hitting me. Stop hitting me. Now, dude, what do we do?
How'd you do it?
Right here.
It's the red one out here.
Where? Mm. I think we just screwed it up. Oh, no, we didn't. I know what to do. Get a cube. Get the cube all the way over there. I know what to do. Now. Ow. Do it.
I know.
Oh, you're supposed to hold it.
Portal, there's a red portal over there. Why pick my purple one? Okay, good.
Now keep on walking over there. Jump over the laser beam. Awesome. Okay. Yay.
Perhaps I should have specified.
Okay.
Teamwork is a concept in which two or more people work together.
I jumped on it.
My head, then you came up. Wait, stop. Type your pause.
Whoa! I could see my butt when I crouch.
Sometimes testing has.
Whoa!
This one.
It's the fan, dude! It's the fan! I
It's a disc level.
yeah, the fan is a disc level.
Remember this one?
The fan is a disc level.
James.
Can't see. I don't remember it. No, I don't remember it. And I'm jump. Crouch, please. Oh, I do remember it. Move. And then please crouch.
James.
Please crouch. Please crouch. Please crouch. Andrew, please crouch.
Sorry, my mic was gone.
Okay,
I
crouch.
hear you.
There you go.
Where'd you go?
Whoa. Crap, okay. Where's the surface for us to put another portal? 'Cause I already put my yellow portal down.
Oh, I know.
Where?
Don't break that.
Forgot how to do this. Oh, I suddenly remembered! Whee! Okay. What do we do? Is it upwards, sideways? I don't know. Yeah, what is this way?
Oh!
What? Oh, I see it. Place. I placed it. Place. Yay!
No!
Dude, and then place it right over here. There you go.
Let me get the disc. Let me get the disc. I never got to put it in.
Yes, you have.
Can I get the disc?
No.
I never got to put it in.
After we figured out how to do it. Oh! There's 2 buttons on the side. Okay. Countdown. Whoops. Give me the disc. Go, no! Why? Whoa!
I'm watching you right now. I'm watching you fail. I just saw you fail. Seriously, you're
At least I know what to do now.
Oh, yes. You made it.
Got it.
No, please.
How do we put it back out?
No.
Please click the switch. Thank you.
No, let me put it in. Don't you dare. Oh, my God.
Congratulations.
I had to. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Run away.
Oh,
It's gonna kill you. Run away.
For testing courses, the only way I can retrieve you is to violently disassemble.
Run away. Don't look at it.
You
Look at this
can't
little
really
thingy.
Luckily, you don't feel pain. At any rate,
Don't look at the
you know
screen.
how a way to communicate that you feel pain.
It's going to. Oh!
Not failing, by the way.
Even if you don't look at the screen, it still kills you.
James, I think that was the end of the chapter.
I don't think so.
Why would you think he would kill us?
Because it's the end of the chapter.
I think
Who cares? It's exact. Oh my gosh! Is it the end of the chapter? Okay, it is.
Save those humans.
Okay, YouTube. Beware for part 2 of Portal 2 co-op mode. See you next time.